Installing a plank. To ensure a straight cut, measure the plank to the correct length. Install the plank on the starting strip and insert it in the jade trim. Make sure it is tucked in before fixing it. Screws must be centered. They should not exert upward or downward pressure on the metal to avoid buckling. When joining two panels along their length, a 1/8 of an inch space should be left between the planks. Continue the installation by inserting the male side into the female side as well as in the J-trim molding on the sides. Repeat until you get to the top of the wall. When you get to the end of the wall, you may need to make a horizontal cut in the last plank. Take the necessary measurements to cut the plank for fitting. Use electric shear to make the necessary cuts. If the plank doesn't come flush with the height of the wall, place the extra piece backwards onto the J-trim molding to add support to the plank that was cut. Finally, install the last plank that was cut. If you come to an inside corner, install the second part of the inside corner molding. The first part of the inside corner molding was installed while placing the starter strips. Then, repeat the steps for any other surface to cover.